Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. And here is your quote for today. I always give 100% at work. Monday, 13%. Tuesday, 22%. Wednesday, 26%. Thursday, 35%. And Friday, 4%. If you're working a job that you don't even like, how are you able to give it 100% every single day? There's a big difference between a regular job and chasing your dream gig. Put in the effort in whatever you try and do. Not only is this a great reflection on yourself, but it also leaves you feeling satisfied that you've done a decent day's job and achieved something worthwhile.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.